What were the weirdest foods eaten by ancient Roman elite? Imagine sitting at a lavish Roman banquet, surrounded by senators, nobles, and generals, and being served a roasted dormouse stuffed with honey and nuts, or perhaps a dish of flamingo tongues. Sounds bizarre? Well, welcome to the dining tables of ancient Rome's elite, where extravagance knew no limits. In this video, we'll explore the strangest and most exotic foods ever eaten by the Roman aristocracy. From fermented fish sauce to exotic meats, we'll uncover what made these dishes so desirable and so shocking by today's standards. To truly understand Rome, we must understand its food. While ordinary citizens dined on bread, olives, and porridge, the elite flaunted their wealth by consuming delicacies that pushed the boundaries of taste and imagination. But here's the challenge. These foods weren't just about flavor, they were symbols of power, luxury, and Rome's vast empire. Let's start with the Romans' favorite flavor enhancer, garum. Made from fermented fish guts left to rot in the sun, this sauce was poured on nearly everything. To Romans, it was liquid gold. To us, it might just smell like disaster. One of the strangest Roman delicacies was the dormouse. These small rodents were fattened in clay jars called gliraria, then roasted or stuffed with honey and nuts. To the elite, they were the perfect symbol of decadence. For Romans, exotic animals weren't just for display, they were dinner. Flamingo tongues, peacock brains, and ostrich eggs were prized delicacies. Eating such dishes wasn't about taste, it was about showing you could command the rarest foods from across the empire. The Romans also prized exotic fish. Senators competed to own the most luxurious fish ponds, sometimes weeping when their favorite eel died. Fish was served roasted, pickled, or even alive in extravagant displays, but perhaps the most shocking delicacy of all was stuffed camel's heel. Yes, you heard that right. This dish was prepared with spices and honey and served as the centerpiece of grand feasts. To us, it sounds unbelievable, but to Romans, it was the height of culinary art. So what do these bizarre foods tell us? They weren't just meals, they were statements. Rome's elite used cuisine to display power, wealth, and control over the farthest corners of their empire. What seems bizarre to us was, to them, the flavor of status. Now it's your turn. Would you dare to try roasted dormouse or a spoonful of garum? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on ancient Rome for more unbelievable history.